Hello, subscribers and new viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to do a little experimental regarding importing a DGN file and a DWG file into a ProgeCAD software. Let's see what's the outcome. Can we actually can we still actually modify? Can we still create a block or modify this solid 3D model into our ProgeCAD? Let's see. First, there are two options on doing that. First, is the import, and the other one is dragging the file, put it into our screen. I have this partial model which I created, modified from an existing thinker or ideas from who's this guy's working on the 3D printing industry. I just did a little tweak to make it like stronger, but let's see. But how come I can't actually click on the file, though it's there, but I can't find the one who's on the isometric views. Trying to click on it and I can't click it. I guess ProgeCAD has a downfall after all. So I did a viewport and make it a single and make it on a realistic, but it's missing. Zoom extends and then trying to click the two if there's a node coming out. There isn't any. I can't find anything. Are we on the correct plane? Are we on the correct, or do we have a clip or 3D clip on the other side, which let's see. This is the two model I created. I can't even see the realistic views of this one. Now I'm trying to import, let's see, a DGN file. Oh no, a DWG. How can we? Because what I did is I just automatically opened the file and it says it's compatible, but let's see. Now I did some importing. Other way of copying the file rather than or inserting it as a block. Not sure. So I did two procedures that I think it's not gonna work. It's still the same. So yeah, I'm frustrated. I don't know. I'm because what I'm trying to do is test this package if it will work on my previous files. It seems that it's not actually. I did change the color. It might be the color that the reason why I can't check it on the isometric drawing, which is already on a realistic views. I can see my cursor, but I can't actually click on it. I'm gonna try one thing. Let's try the DWG file, DGN file. Let's see if we can find some DGN file. Importing. They said it's import AutoCAD. It's fine. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm gonna check this one more time, and let's see if it's still the same with the 2D. I guess 2D will be okay. Yeah, I'm frustrated. Let's see. I'm gonna find a DGN file. This might help us a little bit. This is more on an AutoCAD views, AutoCAD ribbons, AutoCAD, everything's AutoCAD. They said it's compatible, but I guess it's not. Now I'm looking for some old projects of mine, which is a partial DGN file. Mostly utilities does use a DGN file for their projects. EPCs, consulting are using it, transportation, some is infrastructures, utilities like power distribution, power generation, power, or a wastewater management, or like mostly utilities. Now this is the 144 kV step down 25 kV. I use this one at the power distribution side. Let's see. Yeah, I can see this is from the DGN file. I can see that it's actually showing the solid object as realistic views. So let's see if we can actually modify this one here in ProgeCAD. I'm trying to create two views, and so I can manipulate subtraction, or I'm planning on creating a solid box. So maybe I can use a subtract if I can subtract the solid from solid to solid. Let's see. Here's the box, and I'm not sure. I think this is a metric. metric setting, and what's the distance? Okay. Yeah, this is a metric setting. This is 800 something, so let's move this one into, what the heck is that? Perpendicular snap. Okay, that's huge. Okay, let's move this one into that cooling fan. Let's see if we can subtract this solid I guess I need to explode it. I think it is still in one entity or a block entity. So now, okay, now it's individual object. This is so slow. Come on. My computer is fast, I know that. Trying to move this box of mine into this solid cooling fan. Let's see if I can actually use the subtract command to modify the cooling fan. If not, then this is really frustrating. I'm not happy with this one. I've been trying this for a long time, and I thought they're so powerful. By the way, if you notice, I deleted some of my videos in my YouTube. I don't know, this freaking SVID, they said I'm copywriting their or trademark or something, so I deleted that all. I'm creating a new one for you guys. So I can more do a tutorial or a tips and tricks for you guys on what other software can do. Yeah, I'm trying to subtract this freaking cooling fan and I can't. Now I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated. Okay, next time I will be using like an LSP, which I did a little programming, and if that LSP will work on this ProgeCAD. Yeah, it's a single entity, but how come I can't do the subtract command? Because right now I'm trying to see if this will help you and me on doing some modification on this now I this using this ProgeCAD, because they said it's 1/10 cheaper than AutoCAD. Yeah, 1/10, but you can't actually use it. Then what's the point, right? Now I'm trying the second procedure and just dragging my solid my model, my 3D model into this ProgeCAD and see what happened. So I did drag it into the existing drawing. So he's asking, okay, yes, and yes, and enter again. 1:1, 0 rotation. Okay, oh, that's cool. Let's see. And what is this? Really? Is this a solid? Oh, come on. This is not even a 3D model. This is a plan or a flat drawing. Okay, guys, see you later. And I'm really frustrated. Don't forget to subscribe, new viewers. Bye.